Previously on SolarBalls. Billions of years ago, Proto-Earth collided with Theia, causing the destruction of both planets to the dismay of everyone in the solar system.
Theia! Venus, come back! We can still save her! We can still... What? It's too dangerous, Venus! We have to pull back! Our friends are in there! Can't you see? We have to... Hey! Theia! Theia! Can you hear me? Theia! They're gone, Venus. You don't know that!
Oh, but I do. A little too well.
But look! Proto-Earth seems mostly intact, and that chunk over there, that must be Theia's remains. We have to...
Planets don't work like that, Venus. I've seen this happen over and over and over for millions of years. Whatever's gonna come out of this will not be the planets you knew.
You know nothing, son!
I know one thing for sure. You were all warned to stay in your orbits, but those two refuse to listen! I hope what's left of them serves as a reminder. Son, you can't say that. Not now, Mercury! I don't want to talk. I need to think.
Huh? This isn't from the asteroid belt. Mars? What's wrong?
You don't know?
I mean, I saw a blinding light a while ago, but I thought it was the sun shooting a solar flare or something.
They're dead, Jupiter. Proto-Earth and Theia are dead. What? I did what you told me and supported Earth to go to Theia, and then he did, and they crashed. No, that... How? Did I do something wrong? Was this supposed to happen, or what? No, Mars, this was not. Proto promised me we would play asteroid dodgeball again. Why did he promise that? Jupiter? What's wrong?
The collision between the Earth and Theia has several theories. One says...
Oh, come on, honey. You're continuing the story of the universe's origin without me?
I honestly didn't think you'd care about this part. It's kind of a whole love story between a previous version of our planet named Proto-Earth and a planet named Theia, but it ends in tragedy as they both crash and kinda die, becoming one or something.
Honey, remember when we went to watch Romeo and Juliet after we started dating?
Yes?
And you remember how I bawled my eyes out when it ended?
Yes?
Then of course I would love a romantic tragedy. Come on.
Okay, you're welcome to join. The collision between the Earth and Theia has several theories. One says that Jupiter's influence caused the collision. Another says it was Venus's influence. And others believe it was both.
Maybe they were simply meant to crash?
In hindsight, you can say that anything was meant to happen. But back then, if you saw them after the collision, you probably wouldn't think that.
Are you still there, Theia?
Of course not.
I know you're not real.
Of course I'm not real, Venus. After all, I am gone because of you.
Hey, I didn't...
Face it, amigo, most of this wouldn't have happened without your constant interventions.
Get out of my head, Proto!
Oh, what's the matter? You wanted me gone? Well, now you have it. With a catch.
It's me! I'm the catch! You see the double meaning, Proto?
I sure did, Theia.
I didn't want either of you gone. I did what I thought was right.
How would you know what's right?
Don't you, rotate in the opposite direction as most planets?
Yes. Can you believe it?
Stop! You're not real. Thea wasn't mean. She would have never said those things, okay? None of this was my fault. I just gave Thea a little push. That's all. Now get out of here. Leave me alone.
Hey everybody, Alvaro here, and I hope you're having a good summer. Unlike me, because here it's not summer, I live in the south, but based on our demographics, you're probably in the middle of summer, so to celebrate that, and also the fact that we're back in the US stores, we're actually gonna be doing a bit of a discount. If you buy items above like $90 from our store, you get free shipping. So we just want to help you out if you want to engage with the merchandising that we're making and support the show, of course. This is gonna be running for the whole week, so starting I think the 19th today of July to the 26th. And then next week we're gonna have another cool surprise that's gonna be coming, but I'll save that for later. Yeah, that's basically it, guys. Enjoy your summer and also enjoy the episode. Bye bye.
Oh, look, Triton! Little Proteus is waking up. Proteus? Is that really his name? Yep. Isn't it cool? Are you my big brother? I have my serious doubts. Well, I have none, big brother. Good day, everyone. Oh, look, it's Uranus. Come on, Proteus, you're better than that. Sorry. Anyways, what the hot space gossip, Uranus? Just spoke with Saturn and Thea and Proto are gone. Where? Gone as in D-E-A-D. Dead? They are dead, Neptune. No, dead. Gotcha. Can planets die? Apparently. I reckon they were madly in love or something, so they decided to seal the deal and bloody crash with each other. Oof! That's so romantic. Romantic? Crikey, mate, how's that romantic? Circle of life, circle of love, Uranus. What? You do know nothing's gonna happen, right?
You don't know that.
I mean, I know that Proto-Earth and Thea were two, and from what I can see, there's now 3 big chunks of planet stuff, not to mention all that space debris.
What's your goal here, Mercury?
Hey, I'm just being honest. Better to rip the space band-aid than to... I've given the situation some thought, and my conclusion is that I lack information. You were all Thea and Proto-Earth's friends, so you either knew what was happening, or you somehow caused this. So in order to prevent any future crashes, all of you are guilty until proven innocent.
Wait, what?
I'll have a talk with every single one of you until I have the full picture of how this crash happened. Starting with Pluto. Did someone call me?
Yes, the sun!
Oh! Then Neptune, Uranus, and so on until we finish with Mercury. If any of you had something to do with this crash, I will find out. As the solar system tried to find a new balance, Earth and the Moon were beginning to take shape. But between them, a third mysterious object had formed.
Thanks for watching! Oh, and the next episode is already on Patreon, so watch it a week early by joining. Also, consider checking out our SolarBalls store to get exclusive plushies and solar cards. Bye!